Hello, everybody. Joining us today at the Dental Spotlight is Dr. Kavita, a leading cosmetic dentist from Vilepale East, known for creating confident and natural looking smiles and pain free dentistry. We're excited to dive into her journey, her perspectives on smile trends, and the future of cosmetic dentistry. So, Dr. Kavita, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you.
So, Dr. Kavita, straight to the first question. What do you do when patients want the smile of a particular celebrity and they get a phone and they get a photo that, okay, can you, doctor, mimic this smile? I want to smile like this celebrity. So, how do you handle such clients?
So yeah, this happens pretty often कि कोई आता है क्लिनिक में और बोलता है मुझे इस तरह की स्माइल चाहिए, इस सेलिब्रिटी की स्माइल चाहिए. So I have only one thing to say to them that your smile should reflect your personality. It should reflect you and not anyone else. And there is no one size fits all in smile makeovers. और हर एक की जो स्माइल होती है वो डिफरेंट होती है और हमें जो स्माइल हम डिजाइन करते हैं it has to be as per the person's personality, gender, lifestyle, profession. I cannot give the same smile to a 20-year-old model and a 50-year-old corporate professional, right?
Correct.
So, smile has to be designed keeping a lot of factors in mind, like how much of teeth are visible when you speak, when you smile, how is your profile, what is your face structure, what is the skin tone, and a lot of other things. So we cannot just slap somebody's, it's not a copy paste thing कि किसी का smile उठा लिया और लगा दिया. So that is how we have to explain to the patients.
Very rightly said, it's not control C, control V. Copy paste nahi kar sakte. It's a unique thing. Okay? Coming on to the second question, do you feel social media has changed the way people perceive their smiles these days?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. पहले बिफोर सोशल मीडिया लोगों को लगता था कि स्माइल मेकओवर जो है वो केवल सेलिब्रिटीज या मॉडल्स के लिए होता है बट नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ द अवेयरनेस ऑफ सोशल मीडिया बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया everyone even the common people like me and you want to go out there and look their best and they know that it is doable they know that it is very safe और बहुत ही आसान तरीके से हो सकता है और किसी का भी हम स्माइल मेकओवर कर सकते हैं तो लोगों को ये पता पड़ रहा है एंड मोर पीपल आर गेटिंग अवेयर अबाउट इट
Correct.
बट देयर इज आल्सो अ flip side
Yes.
you know to all this the flip side is that because of social media there is a lot of unrealistic expectations also that we see nowadays among patients. So we have to, that is where we come into the picture as dentists. We have to actually tell them, sit them down and tell them what is possible, what is not possible, and how much is possible.
Exactly. Unrealistic trends को आपको ये करना है. Okay. If you had to bust one common myth about cosmetic dentistry, what would be? What is would be?
One myth about cosmetic dentistry. Okay, that would be that a lot of people think that cosmetic dentistry is only about veneers
Yeah.
aggressively teeth ko shape karna hai veneers dalna hai that's not true now cosmetic dentistry and smile makeovers are minimally invasive बहुत बार हमें दांतों को हाथ भी नहीं लगाना पड़ता है to place veneers also cosmetic dentistry is not only about veneers लोगों को ऐसा क्यों लगता है I don't know there are a lot of things that go into designing a smile. I say the simplest form of smile makeover is a simple teeth cleaning and polishing.
Wow.
कि जो stains और tartar है, if you remove them regularly and if you take care, then your smile, can be enhanced immediately. There is tooth whitening, there is aligners. Aligners से आप आपके दांतों की straightening कर सकते हो, teeth gaps आप close कर सकते हो. There is composite bonding that we can do. There are so many things. So usually we have to choose, a combination of all of these or any of these depending on the case. So smile makeovers is not just about veneers. That is a very common perception, but that's not true.
So veneers are just the tip of the iceberg. The real thing is
There's a lot
lot
that
more.
is under that.
Wow. So rightly said, doctor. Thank you. Okay, coming to the next question. What is the biggest trend you're noticing in cosmetic dentistry right now?
The biggest trend I would say is AI.
Yeah.
AI has entered our realm also. And because of AI simulation, now patients, even before they can take a decision,
Correct.
they get to see what the smile would actually look like. instantly.
Wow.
You know, जब पेशेंट्स आते हैं हम लोग इमिडिएटली उनका फोटो या वीडियो लेके उन्हें दिखा देते हैं कि वो कैसे दिख सकते हैं, एंड दैट हेल्प्स देम टेक अ डिसीजन also because of and now everything has become digital. So right from taking scans to making mock-ups to getting the veneer, designing the smile, सब कुछ digitally हो जाता है. And I see that this trend is only going to get better, and technology is going to evolve better for smoother workflows and more predictable and precise results.
Correct. So much true. Okay, coming to the last part of this segment, what is that one golden tip you would like to give to a budding dentist who wish to, put their hands into cosmetic dentistry? Nowadays, everyone wants to become a cosmetic aesthetic dentist. So, what is that golden tip you would like to give them? A pro tip.
So the first thing I would say is that if you are a fresher or a new dentist, then you need to get your basic dentistry right.
Correct.
You need to get your hands dirty out there and actually do basic dentistry first to understand the realm of cosmetic dentistry. Cosmetic dentistry, a lot of people feel that 3 days का एक course कर लिया और cosmetic dentistry बन जाएंगे, correct? But that's not true. Courses are definitely good and they have their place, and you should do all of them, I would say. But it's smile design is not just about making the front teeth look good. It's also about functioning. It's about the overall treatment of the patient also holistically. You have to know how to treat the patient. Only then should you get into smile designing.
Right.
And for that, you need to get your basics right. So that's the first tip I would and I would encourage people, more and more people, to get into cosmetic dentistry because it's a whole universe out there.
Absolutely.
And it's very exciting and it's very, very satisfying. And there are a lot of good courses by a lot of our colleagues, and they should just go and do all of that and in good practice.
Sure. Thank you so much, Dr. Kavita, for this wonderful insight, our cosmetic industry, our so many things. And thank you for being a part of this podcast.
Thank you so much for having me, Dr. Kushal. So joining us today is Dr. Kushal Gangwani, an oral and maxillofacial surgeon and cosmetologist at Oramax Dental Clinic, Juhu. With 8 years of expertise in oral surgery, implants, and advanced dental care. Known for his witty reels and creative takes, he makes dentistry fun, relatable, and super engaging. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Kushal.
Thank you for having me.
So let's dive straight into the first question. So you're an oral surgeon, और सबसे कॉमन सवाल जो पेशेंट्स को होता है कि सर्जरी है, रिकवरी कैसे होगी, and people are scared of oral surgery. So how do you handle that?
यस, ये तो सबसे बड़ा क्लासिक सवाल आता है. लोग आके ही डेंटिस्ट के पास बोलते हैं कि डॉक्टर दर्द कितना होगा, रिकवरी कितनी डिफिकल्ट होगी. तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ, देखिए सर्जरी से ज़्यादा तो मुझे दर्द होता है जब गूगल रिजल्ट्स का ज़्यादा दर्द होता है. लोग इतना गूगल करके आते हैं, वो देख के ज़्यादा दर्द होता है मुझे. सो इट्स नॉट पेनफुल. आई टेल माई पेशेंट्स इज जस्ट अ मस्कीटो बाइट. मोस्टली इंजेक्शन से लोग डरते हैं, निगल से डरते हैं. सो सिर्फ एक इंजेक्शन मस्कीटो बाइट जितना पेन होता है. अदरवाइज 90% of the pain is in the head. It's in the mindset. Only 10% could be surgery, but because of the anesthesia and the revolution in anesthesia these days, we have zero pain, absolutely. And in my clinic, I even use needleless injection systems like Vibrajack, Comfortin, where there's no needle involved, no pain. So it's all in the head. So I feel that, being not just a dentist, we have a therapist. I tell my patients, I guide that, I counsel them, okay, you're going to do this procedure. बस यू कांट डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट द सर्जरी. जब आप पेशेंट को बिठाते हो चेयर पे, पहले उनको थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट लेवल दो. सिर्फ आपको उनको ये भी बोल दोगे ना, रिलैक्स करो, मैं हूं ना, ट्रस्ट मी,
से ही आधी एंजाइटी खत्म.
सारी एंजाइटी खत्म हो जाती है. पेशेंट को पेन चला जाता है, डर चला जाता है.
Absolutely.
So I feel this it works more than anesthesia.
Yeah, therapy
Comfort the
is very, very important before you take the patient onto the chair.
Absolutely.
I
100.
completely agree. So that brings me back to the next question. लोगों को लगता है oral surgery is just wisdom tooth removal or placing some implants. So oral और maxillofacial surgery में और beyond this, what else is there?
वेल सही पूछा आपने. बहुत कॉमन है, लोगों को लगता है ओरल सर्जन मतलब सिर्फ दांत उखाड़ना, दांत लगाना या स्क्रू लगाना. बट दैट्स जस्ट द टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग. The real things, what people don't know, are we do a variety of cases like jaw fractures, cyst removals, orthodontic surgery, corrective face deformities, hair transplant, and I'm also into cosmetology. I do Botox, fillers, chemical peels, hair transplant, PRP, GFC.
That's
So many, and it's a plethora of procedures. So many. The menu is unlimited. It's not just teeth, wisdom teeth, or implants, right? We are basically called the Avengers, or you can say the guardians of the face.
wow.
So guardians of the face. So it's like,
So true.
yeah. So we are basically, अगर मूवी बनाया जाए तो हम लोग एक्शन सीक्वेंस, एक्शन हीरोज,
Pros है.
एक्शन हीरोज है.
No.
We are the guardians of the face. So it's like, कोई अगर आगे पूछे आपको OMFS क्या होता है, then you can tell them we are the guardians of the face, like guardians of the galaxy. We are the guardians of the face.
अभी ये बात सुनकर lot of people, lot of young dentists must be wanting to know what kind of a golden tip you would want to give them.
यस, यस, मेरे पास काफ़ी लोग आते हैं जो बड़ी ओरल सर्जन्स होते हैं। बोलते डॉक्टर गिव अस सम टिप्स, वी लाइक योर कंटेंट। तो मैं उनको ये बोलता हूँ, देखो आपका पहले बेसिक्स क्लियर होना चाहिए। बेसिक्स में 3 थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, योर एनाटॉमी, योर स्टेरिलाइजेशन एंड योर पेशेंस। दिस 3 हैव टू बी इन प्लेस। अगर बेसिक्स में ही राड़ा है, बीएमआर सिंड्रोम, बीएमआर सिंड्रोम पता क्या होता है? बेसिक्स में राड़ा। अगर आपको अगर यही प्रॉब्लम है, देन वी कांट हेल्प। सो हैव योर बेसिक्स करेक्ट।
या एब्सोल्युटली बेसिक्स के बगैर तो कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता है. अच्छा डॉक्टर, आई वांटेड टू नो, ओरल सर्जरी इज अबाउट लॉट ऑफ प्रिसिजन एंड लॉन्ग आवर्स और बहुत डिमांडिंग होता है, वेयर इज कंटेंट क्रिएशन में बहुत सारी क्रिएटिविटी और कंसिस्टेंसी लगती है. तो दोनों कंप्लीटली अलग दुनिया है, तो आप दोनों वर्ल्ड्स, हाउ डू यू बैलेंस बोथ द वर्ल्ड्स?
Correct. Very good question. So yes, I love doing content, and so basically, after 8 hours of holding scalpel in your hand, doing surgeries, when I take my phone, I make some reels. It's like a therapy for me. It's
Oh.
like a detox.
Yes.
So for content making is like actually detox, and I feel so light because I like to share what I learn. I just don't feel that कि मेरे तरफ ही मैं knowledge limit रखूँ. वो पढ़े पढ़े सड़ जाता है. कोई भी चीज आप पढ़ा रखोगे, it will rot. So when you share, the knowledge grows.
वो बढ़ता है.
बढ़ता है. So I like.
I can relate. This is so relatable, doctor. I
Many
completely
dentists don't share. They're like कि नहीं मैं share करूँगा. Everyone will know my secret. Everyone has a superpower. I don't believe in it. I like to give it. And more than that, balance करना is difficult. Like my wife also has that complaint कि आप इतना content करते हो, ये करते हो. But it is a task, I must tell you. But it is like therapy. For dentists, surgical skills are like creativity of the hands, but the content is like creativity of the mind.
mind. Yeah.
See, that is my skill set, and it is difficult, but I like to balance it.
And content creation is not an option these days. Yeah. तो अगर आपको किसी नॉन डेंटल कंटेंट क्रिएटर के साथ कोलैब करने का मौका मिले, तो आप किसके साथ करना चाहोगे और क्यों?
Non-dental, Raj Shamani is very popular these days. More than being a content creator or podcaster, he is a genuine बंदा. मुझे लगता है बहुत ही genuine person है. No controversy like other podcasters. But I feel that अपना उसके साथ podcast करके like he makes why him, because he makes this huge complicated topic so easy to understand. So we can also, with dentistry, we can make it so easy, simplify it, break it down, and so that common people can understand.
And I'm very sure he'd also love to have you someday on his show. So with that, we come to the end of this session, and thank you, Dr. Kushal, for sharing your insights, and thank you very much.
Thank you for having me. Cheers.